Hey everyone, welcome to the Altcoin of the day, and that is today OMG, OmiseGo, and OmiseGo is ranked number 57 on CoinMarketCap and has a market capitalization of $76 million, which I would like to pick up for the swing trading portfolio. If you take a look at the chart of OMG on a 240-minute chart, so it's 4-hourly chart, you'll see a broad base around 40 cents. It went up to almost 60 cents, so it's 50% increase from the low of March. But there is still more on the table in my opinion, and the green shoots are here with a buy signal around 50 cents, now 55 cents, 10% higher since then. But still, I think it's a very good buying opportunity for the short term. Here we see the daily chart. Of course, it's a little bit screwed, this chart. It went from 140 and from the peak in February, back in February, towards more than 40 cents, a little bit more than 40 cents. But I think that the market will bounce back again towards 40 or 80 cents. So that means that there's more than 30% upside potential. So in my opinion, OMG is very good, nice buying opportunity to take a look at this moment. Of course, on the longer term, the sky is not clear yet, but the green shoots are giving some hope for the ultra short term traders. And here we see on the daily, on the hourly basis, green area at the backside, at the background, and that means we are in a buy signal area. If you want to put a stop loss on the 240 level, that would be around 44 cents. So go for it, ladies and gents, crypto traders. And if you want to take a look for more crypto trades, go to cryptoacademy.nl. Hasta la vista. Ciao.